This neighborhood is so cool. I love these buildings. Very interesting.
Check out my sandals, guys.
Yes, Richie got her some sandals.
Very comfy. My shoes can rest now for a moment.
And it's kind of funny because when we bought them, they gave her 2 different sizes.
Yes, we need to go back to the same area because, you know, it's not the same size.
Yeah, and it was very late at night. I think we went back like at 11 p.m. or something like that. So we walked all the way there because if we didn't do it then, we were going on the tour the very next day. So we wanted to be able to. So Richie had 1 small shoe and 1 big shoe. I think it's right there. So it was like a minute walk. Not so bad. Alright guys, so I think we found what we want. I just want to show the names before I forget. I'm going to get the pho bo tho da. Yes. And that's the rare beef pho and stone bowl. That had a star on it, so I asked what the favorite was here. And then Richie's going to get the pho ga.
Yes, which
chicken
is
pho.
Chicken pho. Alright.
Alright.
Chicken pho, pho bo tho da. 1 chicken pho ga. Phở ga. Chicken pho. Chicken pho. Phở bò tho da. Yes. Okay. Alright.
Awesome. Thank you very much. We're excited because we're both really hungry. We woke up kind of late today because I had my coffee yesterday and I was up till like 3 or 4 in the morning, no joke.
Wow.
And I wish, can I tell them about it?
Yes. Dustin is a coffee addict now, and no, it's not coffee addict. He just wants to edit because he's a sleepy guy.
Yeah, I was tired when I came because we ate kind of late last night because we went on the tour, the boat tour.
Yeah.
We got home and you know, you're kind of cold, you're tired and all that stuff. So you get some coffee later in the day. And the reason I don't drink coffee in the morning, I never drink coffee in the morning.
Why?
Well, because my stomach, I'm lactose intolerant. So if I drink coffee, I always have an upset stomach within like a couple hours. But I know if I drink it in the evening, usually I'm at home and my stomach gets upset, at least I'm at home. But anyway, so I'm an evening coffee drinker. But so I was up, I edited a few videos, and then while the video was uploading to YouTube, I took a walk. And it was really late at night, it was probably like
12, 11? 12?
something like that, yeah. So I left, and when I came back, I thought Richie would lock the door, but it was unlocked.
Oh, I forgot. I locked the door,
you
but
locked it? It must have not unlocked.
Yeah.
But anyway, I like snuck in, and I was kind of trying to be as quiet as I can, and Richie went up like a mummy. Her arms went like straight up. She's like, and she like was so scared she couldn't talk.
I was just looking at
and
him.
she's like, I don't even know what you said. Do you remember?
No, I said, how did you get in?
Well, she was looking at me like she didn't know who I was at first.
Yeah,
She's
at
like,
first. Because you know you're sleeping,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then
you're sleeping.
you just walk, you know, you walk up and you don't know what's going on.
Yeah, really, when you wake up like that. Sorry, it's kind of loud here. We're right by the road, and there's some building construction going on.
And I was just staring at him. I said,
Yeah, but after a few seconds, he started to come around, and then I was like, why didn't you lock the door?
I locked it. And then, yeah, he got 2 coffees, so he was very hyper.
Yeah, I was hyper. I still, even after coming home a little later, the video was finished, and I was up for like a long time. I could not sleep.
What did you drink?
2 coffees, an Americano
And
at the German restaurant. We went back there again, and it was a really good restaurant. And then I had another coffee earlier. I can't remember the name. Oh, Highlands. I think it's Highland coffee. I wanted to try that, and but I like the Americano was good, but the Americano was really strong.
very strong.
Yeah, but it was very good. So the morning's no coffee for me. Richie had her coffee this morning. Hopefully you guys can see us. It's quite close.
Good timing for noodles. I'm excited because it's cold.
So today, this is just kind of plan. We're getting some noodles, go back and edit, and then probably do that all day. And then tomorrow we're taking, well, we don't know for sure yet, but tomorrow we're gonna take a bus somewhere else. and it's a very long bus. And the thing with that, we're like, every time I take a long bus, I'm like, oh, I can just edit on the bus. But you never do because it's shaky. There's no place to put your laptop.
Uncomfortable.
And usually there's no place to plug in your laptop.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice.
Medium spicy.
Okay.
Very sweet.
Oh, medium and very spicy.
All right.
I'll take
I might
medium.
try the medium. That looks very good. So that's the chicken pho.
This
No
is like
soup for
coconut.
you.
Coconut. Is it
I think
coconut?
that's noodle.
Noodle.
It looks like coconut though. Oh, nice.
Oh, okay.
Baby vinegar.
Ah, I like garlic.
Ah, cool. So mine should be coming soon.
Please.
I'll just watch Richie eat.
Balut.
Ah, okay.
Smells that vinegar.
That soup smells really good.
I don't know if I'm putting it right.
It looks right to me.
Right.
You can smell the spicy.
Yes.
Yes.
I think yours is coming too, so
Yeah, no
we'll
need.
eat together.
Okay. I think that's actually the. Oh, there comes mine too. You can see it, the steam. Wow.
Ooh.
Oh, it's separate. Cool.
Ooh.
Thank you very much. Come on. Okay.
Ah, okay, so
And
you mix
stir.
together.
All right. Very cool.
Oh, that's
I like that.
unique kind.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on. Very awesome. So I didn't know what to expect when getting it. So you pretty much add it yourself.
Put well, it's hot. The beef.
So this is like boiling.
Yeah.
Let's add some of this. This is like the noodles.
Mm.
That's just like broth, and that smells pretty good.
Wow.
There's some of the beef.
Wow, you're like cooking. Ooh, Dustin knows how to cook now.
I know how to add things to a bowl, a boiling bowl. Wow. So this is fun.
Mm.
I think I'm just gonna throw it all in there.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, might as well. All right, so I'm gonna put this all in there, then let it
Toss.
sit. Wow, I'm excited for this. This is really cool.
The beef turns into brown from red, so you can really see that it's really, really hot.
Yeah, it really did. Look, you can see, I'm not sure if you guys saw that. It's red. And it like cooks, look at that.
Yeah.
This
Really
is
good
this is
noodles.
after only a few seconds.
Put your finger and cook it.
Pull my finger.
I know what's that. I know what's your trick.
I got you with that a few times though.
Yeah.
After like the 5th time, you're like, okay, no more. After we evacuated the room. All right, I'm excited for this. I think I'm just gonna keep adding it so it's warm.
This one tastes good too. Look at that.
So do you get? I think Richie has a lot of this stuff as well.
That's taugi.
And this is pretty much that,
Mm.
but rolled up like this. And this is onion. Very, very good. And this is the beef. I'm gonna get that in there just so it's cooking.
This is the chicken.
Can you eat this while it's raw?
Oh, look at the smoke.
It really is raw. Wow. Really simple.
Wow. You can cook now.
Here, I guess just put this all in there too.
No.
How'd you
Wow.
sleep last night?
Very good.
Yeah.
I woke up late.
We did. We
Yeah.
usually wake up earlier than this. It's like, what, at 10:30 or something like that?
Mhm.
I don't know what time it is, but yeah, we usually do wake up early, but
Right now?
yeah, I don't even know what time it is.
Around 12?
It's 12?
Yeah.
Alright, well we didn't wake up just
Yeah.
now. Wait, when we woke up, it was around.
Yeah.
Wow. For those that suggested the faux noodles, thank you for that. Alright, we got a couple chilies in there and some garlic. That should be enough for me. So what did you think of Halong Bay, the tour?
I recommend. I highly recommend.
Yeah, that was awesome too. It was so unique, that beach that we went to. That was so cool. It's like they had that sand, like white, soft sand.
Yeah. And then mountain.
Yeah.
3-in-1.
Really interesting area. And they're protected from the big waves.
Yeah.
Because of all the big mountains,
yeah.
whatever you want to call them. So there's never big waves in there. Anytime you go through there in a boat, you're never going to have to worry about tipping over or anything like that. All right. So that was delicious. So I think mine was 60 Vietnamese money, and then hers was 50. And 50 is around like $2, a little over $2. So our meal today was around $4, a little over $4. Very, very delicious soup. Very satisfying.
Yeah.
So I think from here out, we're just gonna go edit, and then we might just catch you guys back when we go get something else to eat, maybe some lunch or something. Even though it's lunchtime right now.
But you know what makes me shocked at first here in Vietnam, because first day that I think we ate noodles also, and they said it's like, sir, that's 100,000.
The money, yeah.
Yeah, and sir, that's 1 million, huh? So it's you know, interesting to know the currency in different countries.
Yeah, I think this is at least the country I remember. There's no coins here. It's all paper money. So I think the smallest bill is 1,000, and I think that's only like cents. I'm not even sure what that is. 25,000 is around $1. So that's how I remember it. So if you have 24, 25, you'd have 100, which is $4. So, but anyway, so 1,000 is the smallest, and the largest I think is 500. I haven't seen $1 million bill yet.
Yeah.
But that'd be kind of cool to have $1 million bill.
For me, that's interesting to
is.
know the currency. Like, it's just amazing. 1 million and 1 million here is like around 2,000 to 3,000 Philippine money. Yeah. And it's like,
It
I
is.
was shocked.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
Alright, so our burgers just came in. Very delicious. Another location that's very near us, so we just walked here. Just a couple minutes. Like the zebra chopsticks. It's a big burger.
Oh wow.
There's like caramelized onions in there, cheese, tomato. Looks very good. Alright, here we go.
Wow.
They were delicious. Alright guys, so if you come here, if you take a picture and check in your Facebook, they give you a free shot. So we're gonna take our picture. Alright, cool. We chose the grapefruit gem. Wait. Nice. cool. This is fancy.
I'll definitely hire him for 2 baht mixing.
Hey, compare this to 2 baht.
Yeah. Alright.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, thank you for this. I better switch hands. That's good. Very good.
Wow.
Delicious.